Start strong, your beginner fitness journey. Starting your fitness journey can feel challenging at first, but with the right approach, it can become one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. The key is to begin with simple steps, stay consistent, and focus on progress rather than perfection. Everyone starts somewhere, and taking that first step is the most important part. For beginners, it is important to start with basic exercises. Simple movements like walking, jogging, squats, push-ups, and stretching are great ways to build a strong foundation. These exercises help improve strength, flexibility, and overall fitness without putting too much pressure on your body. Creating a realistic workout routine is essential. You don't need to exercise for hours. Starting with 20 to 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week, is enough. As your body adapts, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. The goal is to build a routine that you can. Start strong, your beginner fitness journey. Starting your fitness journey can feel challenging at first, but with the right approach, it can become one of the most rewarding.